I asked AI to help me design a Bluetooth speaker made of me, and here's what came out in this video. I'll show you how I built this Bluetooth speaker from scratch, designed entirely in Fusion 360 and made of mirror plush stainless steel. After creating the 3D model, we need to save it as a DXF file and send it to a company for laser cutting and bending. The parts have arrived: mirror polished stainless steel, 1.5mm thick, beautiful but super delicate. Okay, let's install the USB-C connector, which will later be used to charge the battery. Now let's solder the module TP4056 that's used to charge the battery. Oh, we're soldering the speaker wires. This speaker isn't the best. It's only for testing purposes. Okay, now after mounting the speaker, we'll add some foam inside the metal box to improve the sound quality. Let's connect our amplifier, the MAX98357A, to the ESP30. Now we need to connect the charging module to the ESP32 on the 5 volts and GND pins. I'm doing a quick test to see if the Bluetooth works. Okay, it's working. Later, I added an EC11 rotary encoder to turn the ESP32 on and off, increase or decrease the volume, and mute the sound. For that, I made a new hole in the box. I'm connecting the speaker to the amplifier and trying to organize everything neatly inside the box.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like...
This was just a first test. I have to say, not bad at all. It looks amazing. But I still need to improve the sound quality by getting a higher end speaker and probably replacing the ESP32 with Bluetooth modules designed specifically for this kind of project. If you liked this project and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps me a lot. If you have any ideas or feedback, feel free to write them in the comments. Thanks for watching.